This is a Broadcast Devices Tech Update.
Now, we also make a complete set of kits for um, interfacing transmitters. If you noticed on that previous slide, I don't know if I can go, let's see, can I go? Yeah, I can go back. You'll notice a bunch of D-sub connectors, and most broadcast guys hate D-sub connectors because you got to get a soldering iron out and you got to wire this and you got to do that, put the shell on, and those shells never go together very well and all of that. Well, tell you the truth, personally, I hate them too, but as a manufacturer, we like them because you can do all those connections in a single rack unit. So to um, to tamp down some of your frustration in doing an installation, we came up with these installation kits. Now, this is a kit that it's actually half of it. When you buy the kit from us, you get two sets of what you see here. This is a transmitter interface kit, and what it does is it plugs into the back of the controller. It's two Cat5 cables. They're really just Ethernet cables. It's not Ethernet, obviously, but just two cables that you can connect to these interfaces that go inside the transmitter. And then you get the basic connections, the external interlock input for the transmitter on and off connections. And then if the transmitter has an on status and you want to see that on the controller, you can bring that cable back out, and that goes into another connector on the controller. Now, we also make switch cables too. So you can start at the beginning of the alphabet, Delta, Dielectric, ERI, Mega MCI, Myatt, Spinner. If I've left anybody out, we've made cables for for just about every manufacturer. And if you have a switch that you maybe have some question about how to interface it, call us. We can work with you. I don't think we've ever failed at that. I think we've always been able to make an interface between a motorized switch.
Broadcast Devices has your power measurement solutions. Find us on the web at broadcast-devices.com or call us at 914-737-5032.